Okay, so in this video, we will learn another very powerful pattern, that is tail generation pattern. Tail generation pattern means, suppose, again, the concept behind is, you are breaking down a complex task into a simple task. You are breaking down, you are simplifying those tasks. Suppose you are telling ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that, hey, I am giving this much details only, only one line details or this much details only, and I will provide one pattern, I will provide one format. So accordingly, you need to provide the answers. Okay, so what is my expectation? So I will provide this details and my expectation is this. So you, according my expectation, you will provide the answer, you will provide the solution. So it will explain every details possible. Okay, so what is it? The tail generation pattern. This example illustrates the tail generation pattern by ensuring that the model repeats a summary of the input and prompts for the next action or input at the end of the output. Okay, so here is the example. The example number one is recipe generator. Suppose you are telling ChatGPT, generate a detailed recipe based on the ingredients I will provide. Based on the ingredients I provide. So I will provide the ingredients, including preparation steps, cooking time, and serving suggestion. At the end, repeat the list of ingredients at the end, repeat the list of ingredients and ask me for the next set of ingredients. So what will happen is, you will provide the ingredients. Suppose there are ingredients number one, two, three, four, five ingredients name you have given. You have steps also. Suppose there are uh, two steps you have mentioned. You remember that, for cooking this baking, for preparing this baking cake or some spicy food, I know only these ingredients are enough. One, two, three, four ingredients are enough. I know that four steps are available or three steps are available, but the rest of the things you don't know. Suppose you are preparing biryani or you are preparing a chicken or mutton, some curry you are preparing, and you know only four ingredients that I need. Chicken, I need only four ingredients I know. But apart from four, there might be another ingredients required, like another four ingredients it is required or optional. If you give, that curry could be better. Okay, so you know only four ingredients, rest everything you don't know. You know that the preparation steps. Suppose three process steps, you know the rest, another four steps are available, you don't know that thing. Cooking time, suppose you have assumed that, oh, cooking time it might take half an hour, but it may happen that it is more than half an hour, might be 1 hour. For an example, serving suggestion, you know serving suggestion. Suppose few things are available with you, the rest everything you don't know. So what will happen is, you provide some ideas that you know, to preparing to make a recipe. You know something, and you will tell ChatGPT the rest everything you fill it out. You fill it out for me, and you will provide that list only. This is only for the recipe, and the same format goes to for any other example also, any other subject, any other topic also. So what I'm saying is, generate a detailed recipe based on the ingredients I provide. So I will provide few ingredients that I know, include preparation steps, cooking time, and serving suggestion. All these things I will provide you. At the end, repeat the list of ingredients and ask me for the next set of ingredients. Okay, at the end, you provide the ingredients and ask me the next set of ingredients. Okay, so let us practice it, what it is saying. Let me refresh the page. Okay, so generate a detailed recipe based on the ingredients I provide. Okay, so I am instructing now, and then it will ask me something. Sure, I would be happy help with that. Please provide the ingredients you have in mind for your recipe. See, it is asking. Please provide the ingredients you have in mind. So anything, it might not be the complete ingredients. Might be few ingredients you are giving. Suppose you are giving chicken. Okay, then potato, Okay, potato, tomato. Then what else? Chili. Okay. Then what else? Onion. Okay. So let me press enter. So this ingredients is available with me. Okay. See, it's saying I did not mention anything that spicy chicken and I want to make this for spicy chicken and potatoes too. I want to make. I have given the ingredients only. What is available with me, and it will provide me the with these ingredients what kind of food I can create. I can prepare. Okay. So here it is saying, great. Here is a detailed recipe using chicken, potatoes, tomatoes, and tomatoes, chili, and onion. So using this ingredient, you can create a great recipe. So what is that? That is spicy chicken and potato stew. Okay, so see, ingredients what I need. I have given only these ingredients available with me. I said I have only this in my kitchen. So what can I prepare? So it's saying 500-gram chicken cut into pieces, two large potatoes, two medium tomatoes, one or two green chilies, and it is saying the slice adjusted to taste. Slice how you to make it prepared. It is also saying a large onion, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. So see, I have given only these ingredients. I have only given these ingredients, 5 ingredients I have given, and here I said add some ingredients also. I think at the end repeat the list of the ingredients, ask for the next set of ingredients, and it is asking for the next set of ingredients. See, I did not mention salt, so it has said the additional I need it. So taste of salt, table garam masala, red chili powder, all this thing, garnish. Okay, all these things are additionally. I gave only 5 ingredients name, and it has added another possible ingredients for cooking spicy chicken and potato stew. Now it is the ingredients it has given. Now it is saying preparation steps. Prepare ingredients. Wash and cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Okay, peel and cut the potatoes. Okay, cook onion and spices. Okay, add chicken, then add spices and tomatoes, add potatoes, simmer. Okay, finish the garnish. Okay, cooking time also it is providing. Preparation time 15 minutes, cooking time 30 minutes, total time 45 minutes. Serving suggestion: serve hot with steamed rice or Indian bread, roti, naan. Accompany with a side of yogurt or fresh salad for complete meal. Ingredients recipe, again it is giving me the total ingredient list as I told earlier to provide the list. So a list of ingredients and ask for the next set of ingredients. So it will ask me, I think, again something. Yes, it has asked what it is asking. What would you like to cook next? So this is the first thing I wanted to cook. So it has given me all the information. So now it is asking what else what would you like to cook next? Feel free to provide another set of ingredients. Again, suppose you want to write, you want to some paneer curry you want to create or you want to make, or suppose you want to make any other veg item you want to create or you want to make, or any other thing. So you can I think you understood the concept of what you how you to do it. So this is one of the example. I think it is pretty clear to you that how to use this pattern, how to use this tail generation pattern. So it will provide you a more detailed information of your question. The I think you have seen, you have got the clarity, the how efficient ChatGPT is or any other artificial tool is. You are giving only some few example or few things you are sharing with ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, and you are just following the good pattern. You are telling the follow this pattern, follow this example. So it's providing a a good output. Okay, so let us take one more example. One is travel itinerary plan, study plan creator. The examples are pretty same, the format is pretty same, only I have only you need to replace your content, your subject, your problem, and your desired outcome, what you want from ChatGPT. That is you need to mention in that format. Okay, just copy it, paste it, and replace your content, replace your outcome. For my case, it might be two outcomes I want, so for your case it might be three outcomes, four outcomes, one outcomes you want from ChatGPT. So accordingly you prepare your prompt. Okay, again, the study cater plan, event organizer, okay, financial budget planner. So let us take this example. So let's go to here and let's take a fresh page, and again let me paste it. So this is it, what I'm asking: create a financial budget based on the income and expense I provide. So I will provide my income and my expense plan, okay, including saving goals, expense categories, and monthly allocation. So you will create all those things. At the end, repeat the list of expense and ask me for the next financial details to include. Okay, so it is for the more action. So let's first take one example. Press enter. See, it is asking, sure, please provide me with the following details: monthly income, your total monthly income, and expense, fixed expense, rent utilities like this, variable expense this, saving goals is this. Okay, so see, additional details. Any other financial goals or specific consideration is not on to mention. Once I have this information, I will create detailed budget for you. Okay, so the point number one, let me mention point number one: monthly income, suppose for example 50,000, for an example 50,000. Okay, shift enter, and then let me go to 2.1. Why I'm mentioning 2.1? 2.1 is this. So fixed expense is suppose 30,000, for an example 30,000. Shift enter. 2.2, this is variable expense for grocery purpose, for dining out, for entertainment purpose, might be 10,000, might be 10,000. Okay, shift enter. Then 2.3, it is asking saving goals, like emergency fund, retirement, travel for this. So might be it is another 10,000. Okay, in this case let me change some. Okay, keep it 10,000. Okay, and three additional details: any other financial goals or special consideration. Suppose, if you have any other, so in this case what I can say, additional details like okay, let us enter one more thing. Point number three, additional details: any others financial goal or special consideration. Higher education, higher education. So this is my additional details. This is the additional goal I have, though I don't have money, so that's why higher education I want. Okay, so once I have this in, okay, so now let's press enter, see how it works. Okay, so got it. It is asking, see, got it. Here is a financial budget based on your details you provided. Monthly income, suppose you have 50,000, expense category fixed amount 30,000, rent, utility, and subscription. Variable expense 10,000, and saving goals is 10,000. Saving goals is 10,000 for higher education. Okay, now monthly allocation fixed. So it has summarized monthly allocation: fixed 30, variable 10, savings 10,000. Okay, summary of expense, it is saying, summary of expense: fixed the expense 30,000, variable expense is summary of. Okay, okay, now it is asking, please let me know if these are there are any other financial details you would like to include, or if you like to adjust any of this allocation. So I think you have got the idea that I have given all the details, and it has segregated all the expense category, monthly allocation, summary of expense, all the details based on my given data 50,000 total, and 30, 40, 50, and all these things I have mentioned here. So summary of expense it has given, monthly allocation it has given, and all the detailed information it has given. Okay, it has segregated based on my budget and based on my A. So I think another repeat the list and ask me financial details.